One of the things that isn't very well covered on the GitLab page is what do you do actually to build one of these tasks? Because Polyapp says it's a form builder, right? So how do you actually build a form? Well, in Polyapp, forms are called tasks. Mostly it's more complicated than that, but that's what we'll say for now. In order to create one, you click on Create Data. And now you can just create a form. So let's call this one my first form. This describes why I'm creating this form and why it is useful. So I'm gonna say that this is related to all other crop farming. Let's say corn farming. All right, so let's put it in the tractor repair domain, which we're just going to be creating after we submit this form. I'm not going to add any bots yet. I'm going to add a few fields. So say the first field is tractor name, the name of the tractor which needs to be repaired. Let's actually call this tractor list, tractors, a list of all tractors which we are able to repair. Okay, so let's just give this the name which can repair. So just use a regular input box, and let's make that a required field. Let's have a field for the manufacturer of the tractor. All right, so let's add a few of these. One of the nice things about Polyapp is that you can go back and add things like new options for tractor repair while you're actually working with the task, which I guess I can show you in a moment. So let's remove this field. Let's say if this is all I wanted to have in my task. I hit done, and the task will be created. It will actually bring us to the task's change data page. So I'm going to create a new data, and here we are. This is our tractor task. You know, the name of the tractor, which we can repair, the manufacturer of the tractor. And as we can see, I set both of them as being required fields, and we haven't entered them, and it's complaining at us already. Lots of red complaining that we have not done our job. So for instance, if we try to hit done right now, it would not succeed. One other thing about Polyapp is that it auto saves. So if I were to put in name of a tractor as John Deere tractors, say the 1025R, John the 1025R. All right, and it auto saves this value. So I'm going to hit change data, which will bring us back to a page where we can see all data related to this new form we've created. We can see our data's here. We can see that it's saved the name. All right, so let's select John. Yeah, and if we tried to hit down right now, it would not go anywhere because there was an error found in the task or subtasks. So let's select John Deere. Let's hit done here. Notice how I hit done before that error went away. It's because it's mostly just a visual thing. So it brought me back here. It shows recent user activity, including, as it happens, this is the tractor repair task I was just working on. I'm going to go back and look at that again. All right, and here we were. This was the information I just entered. If I hit change data again, we can see this is the data I've entered. That's basically it. It's a form builder. You create the forms, you enter data, it tries to autosave as you're entering data. There's some validation on the forms. You hit done, you're done. Now, one of the nice things about Polyapp is that you can add code that runs when the form loads, when it is being used, and when you hit the done button, but I'll be talking about that later.